Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make something you're going to love if you are a chocolate lover. Chocolate cobbler. This is such a wonderful dessert. It's great to take to a party, to make for Thanksgiving or Christmas. It's great for the holidays coming up. It'll please your chocolate lovers in the family. I happen to be one, so I love making this dish. So the first thing we're going to do is melt a stick of butter, and then I'm going to put it in this 13 by 9 dish. I'm also going to set my oven to 350 degrees because I'm going to need that ready to go. And I'm going to start boiling a pot of water. I'm going to need at the end 2.5 cups of hot water. So I'm going to get that boiling now so I won't have to wait for it. Okay, now we're going to mix 1.5 cups of self-rising flour with 1.25 cup of sugar. And about 2 tablespoons of cocoa. I'm gonna get all the, I'm making a mess already. I'm gonna get all the dry ingredients mixed together really well. And then I'm gonna add in my milk. Okay, that's good and mixed. And now I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of whole milk or almond milk. You do whatever you want. I'll get this all mixed up. And now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. If I can get this open. I'm just gonna eyeball it. I don't usually measure this out. You can measure it if you want. We're gonna get that all mixed in really good. Just make sure you get underneath, get all the flour that could be stuck on the bottom. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. That is gonna be so yummy. That's the base of our chocolate cobbler right there. Looking good. Okay, we're just going to pour this on top of the butter. Don't get tempted to do anything but pour. Just kind of want it like that, evenly poured. Hey, that's coming out pretty nicely today. All right, and we're just gonna do all the corners. We're gonna get it everywhere. Now it's gonna start getting a little messier at the end. Let me scrape it. I know you're gonna be tempted to mix this together, but we're not gonna do that. We are just going to pour it on, and that is it. All right, on to the next step. For this next step, we're going to mix 1.5 cups of sugar with another 1/2 cup of the cocoa. And then we're going to sprinkle this on top. You want to make sure you get all the clumps out of the sugar and the cocoa. This mixture should be completely smooth with no little lumps. It might take a while, but it's worth it. Here's what it looks like when you sprinkle the cocoa and sugar mixture all over the top. You want to make sure you don't mix it in at all. You just want to lightly sprinkle it over the top so it just covers everything as best you can. And then you're just going to leave it here for a couple of minutes while everything just sort of settles in and soaks up as much as it can. And then we're going to do the next step. All right, so remember that boiling water we had on the stove top. You're going to measure 2.25 cups, and then you're going to slowly pour this out over the cobbler. Ooh, it's hot. And you just want to go slow and get it. You don't want to dump it in really fast. You want to go slow so it just has time to kind of soak in and not disrupt all the layers beneath it. All right. So just like that. So we're going to leave it like that for a few minutes. All right, it's time to put our cobbler in the oven at 350 degrees. And it's going to cook for 30 minutes. I'm back. It's time to get it out. Let me tell you, the house smells so chocolatey right now. It is delicious. It's been a half an hour. Whoa, it's kind of wobbly. And there it is. There it is. Oh, it's looking so good. I'm going to just let it sit there for a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll dish up a piece. We're back. It's looking ready. I'm going to get a dish and serve up a piece right now. I have let it cool for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to serve up a piece here so you can take a look at it. So we have sort of the layers that look like cake, and then we have sort of these more liquidy layers like a chocolate syrup. Whoa, now I've made a mess. And that is what makes chocolate cobbler unique. Oh, it smells so good. Now look, I want you to see what happens after just a couple minutes go by. The chocolate cobbler has been sitting in this cold dish, and so it's sort of solidified a bit. So it's more of a kind of cake and almost a pudding kind of texture. It's not sort of runny like it was in the beginning. So you can just plop some vanilla ice cream on that, and it's going to be delicious. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, that is so good. If you're a chocolate lover, you're going to love that. And if you're not a chocolate lover, this might turn you into a chocolate lover. Well, that's it today, you guys. If you have a chocolate recipe that you love, will you please share it down below in the comments? I would love to try one of your recipes on my channel. I love chocolate, and there's never enough chocolate recipes. So please tell me your favorites. Tell me what you think about this if you make it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.